Hello everyone. Well, in this video, I'm going to guide you that how you're gonna be covering your OBU research analysis project with me if in case you opted me as your mentor, right? So see, that day you will get enrolled, you'll get a recorded lectures of particularly each and every paragraph and their samples that how those paragraph needs to be written, right? So at the day of enrollment, you'll get these lectures, which are approximately 25 to 30 hours, in which you're going to be seeing that how each and every paragraph needs to be drafted, right? With samples, with classes, and with my coordination on WhatsApp as well. So once you have done that, in the classes, I have segregated those classes by covering the RAP in different parts. Like there's part 1, then there's part 2, then there's part 3. So once you have completed RAP's first part, obviously this is done now. So what you will do, you will send that part to me or will come to me and we'll discuss and then move on to part 2. Once you have done your part 2, in fact, we will be making it like part 1 and part 2 shall be done together and get it reviewed. And then once you are on part 3, there are several different segments to be covered. Like in part 3, you will be doing analysis of your opted companies. So you will be doing horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, business analysis. These all three different segments of part 3 needs to be done and should be discussed with me if there is any problem. So while enrolling, you'll be getting lectures and a live support for particularly for your mentor. And after that, once you have completed your complete RAP, you will be going on to the other files, which is SLS, which is PPT, which is Excel, and for those as well, there are samples and classes available. So will there be a live one-on-one session? So yeah, definitely there will be live one-on-one session weekly in which I'll be covering or addressing your queries. Like once you'll enroll, you'll start working on your project. We'll connect weekly and we'll discuss that project of yours weekly in a Zoom class, or if you are in particularly in a Karachi based student, so you can discuss with me over at campus as well. So this is how your OBU journey needs to be done. One more thing is that in completion of your OBU, the thing is that you need to make sure you are following deadlines. The day you will enroll, I'll take the first class. I'll announce a date in the group for the upcoming November 25 and May 26 batch. So in that group, I'll announce the first class and I'll particularly give you the deadlines. So make sure while doing RAP, while doing SLS, while doing PPT, you are following your deadlines. If the deadlines are being followed, then there is a higher chance that you'll ace this project, right? So if in case you have enrolled, so this is a planner that you need to do particularly with respect to OBU. And yes, if there is any problem, we'll be discussing in the live query sessions, which is held weekly. Thank you.